Hello and welcome to the Smart Center e-learning video. Registering a candidate. In this demo, you will learn how to register a candidate. To do this, let us first open the web browser and enter the Smart Center URL in the address bar. Enter the login credentials. The home page is displayed. Here, click Registration, either on the menu bar or on the widget. Then, select Register Candidate. The registration form is displayed. Note that the Center Candidate ID and scheme fields are auto-populated. You cannot edit these fields. Now, let us start the registration process by uploading the profile picture. Ensure that the size of the picture does not exceed 500 KB and that the picture is in .jpg or .png format only. Remember, an asterisk symbol next to any field means that such fields cannot be left blank. Now, let us enter the candidate course details, which includes the scheme, training type, sector, subsector, and job role fields. Next, let us enter the candidate name, gender, and date of birth as specified in the Aadhaar card. If your Aadhaar card contains the year of birth instead of the date of birth, you must select the year of birth field and then select the appropriate year. Enter the 12-digit Aadhaar number. Additionally, you must upload the soft copy of the Aadhaar card. Note that the size of the Aadhaar card copy that you're uploading must not exceed 500 KB and it must be in a .pdf, .jpg or .png format only. After the document is uploaded, click Verify Aadhaar. Aadhaar verification is performed on the name, gender, and year of birth or date of birth. The Aadhaar validation may fail for one of the following reasons. You have not entered the name, gender, date of birth, or the Aadhaar number fields correctly as in the Aadhaar card. If such cases, you can modify the forms and enter the details again. Verification may fail because of a technical issue. If it is a technical issue, the system will validate the card automatically after the issue is resolved. Please note that the alternate ID field is used only in states where the Aadhaar card is not yet available. The alternate ID field is enabled only if your training center belongs to one of the following states: Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, Manipur, and Jammu and Kashmir. In such a scenario, select the alternate ID. The alternate ID can be a PAN card or the voter ID. In this demo, we will select the PAN card. Enter the PAN card number. You must also upload the soft copy of the PAN card. Remember that the size of the document you are uploading must not exceed 500 KB and it must be in .pdf, .jpg or .png format only. All fields with asterisk symbol is required. Next, let's enter the candidate address details. After you enter the PIN code details, the other address information such as locality, village, town, city, post office, sub-district, state, district and constituency will be auto-populated in their respective drop-down list. Now, let's enter the candidate contact details. In the mobile number field, enter the 10-digit number and click Generate OTP. The OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number. Enter the other details as required. Next, enter the bank details of the candidate as shown in the bank checkbook and click Save. The candidate is registered successfully. Note: registration does not mean that the student is enrolled. The system will validate if the candidate is eligible for enrollment. Click OK. Print the form to verify details with candidate. Note: candidate will be required to sign the hard copy of the registration form and store a copy for audit by NSDC. The candidate will get a registration confirmation message in his or her registered mobile number. Click here to start registration of another candidate. Click to download the registration form in PDF format. The registration form is downloaded successfully. This concludes the demo. Please close your browser to exit this tutorial.